We're going to do some refreshers before your assignment today. So when something asks you for the digit, like what digit is in the hundreds place, say. Digits or digit just means any number between 0 and 9. So that's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So digits make up numbers. And so say this right here. And they say, what digit is in the hundreds place? I'm going to look at my hundreds, and I'm going to write 6. 6 is in the hundreds place. Now, say you have, what is the value of the underlined digit? But they say value. So they want to know what it's worth. They don't want to know just the digit. They want to know what it's worth. So what is the value of this underlined digit? Well, it's 6 hundredths, which would make 600. So that would be my answer. So in third grade, you focus on the ones, the tens, the hundreds, the thousands, and the 10,000s. Now, the comma always goes between the hundreds and the thousands. And when you're working with these numbers, there's easy tricks to remember how to write them. So if you're given this number, 641, and you want to know the value of the 6, the number in the hundreds place, you can always say, okay, well, 600s, but sometimes you need to write out the number and not the spelling, so I can't say 600s. So I would say 6, and then how many zeros come after? 1, 2, because there are 2 spots after. 1, 2. So say you have the number 42,861, and they want to know the value of the number in the thousands place. I'm going to look at my thousands place. I know it's a 2. And then I'm going to look at how many zeros come after. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put my comma. 1, 2, 3. So the value of this 2 is 2,000. What if they ask you about the value of the number in the 10,000s place, which is 4? I'm going to write 4. And how many zeros come after? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have to add my comma in. So the value of this 4 is 40,000. When you click the link in Canvas, it will open you up to your Boom Card assignment. Yours looks a little different, but here's an example, and we're going to do some practice problems. So you're going to have to click one answer for the question. The question is, what is the value of the underlined digit? And they have the 5 underlined. So is that 5 in the ones, the tens, or the hundreds? Well, it's in the hundreds, and if I have 500, that means it's worth this apple. So it told me I was correct. Now, say this is a question I'm just not sure about. You can hit skip, and it will just make you come back to it at another time, okay? What is the value of the underlined digit? 100. It already has a check mark, so that means you don't have to do it. See where it says it's a green check mark right here that says next? You just click that, and it will let you move on. This one, what is the value of the underlined digit? They have a 0 underlined, so I know that is 0. What is the value of this underlined digit? Say this one's really hard. You've tried. You just keep, getting it wrong. And you're just not sure. You can click this button right here that says surrender this card. And it's going to have you review it later. What is the value of the underlined digit? Keep going. That was 4 tens. This one, the value of the underlined digit, 7. It's in the ones place, so I have 7 ones. What is the value of the underlined digit? Well, that's a 7 in the ones place, so I know 7 ones. This one has a 6 in the tens place. That means I have 6 tens, or also I have 60. Let's see what else. All right, this one has the 6 in the hundreds place underlined, so that means I have 600. And what is the value of the underlined digit? In the tens place is a 2, so that's 2 tens, which is 20. And then it says end of play, so I got 3 for this place value assignment. I got 8 correct. So I'm going to take a screenshot. I'm going to hold down the home button and the power button at the same time. And it takes a screenshot, and this is what you're going to submit to Canvas. So you're going to go to the assignment. You're going to upload the image. So this is yesterday's. I'm just going to use this as an example. Usually we hit file upload and then you would hit files, but we took a screenshot. So we want to go to library for our pictures, and you can go to recent or screenshot, all photos, and right there hit submit, and it will tell you when it's submitted. Now if you want to look at what you submitted, you just have to hit submissions, files, and it should pop up there. Mine's just not because I'm on the test account. If you have any questions, let me know, and when you're done submitting it, I will check it right away.